Thanks for having me. So what I would say is ISX Financial is a regulated bank tech innovator, bringing transactional banking as well as instant payment solutions to our customers. We're a licensed EMI with direct connectivity to the SEPA as well as UK payment systems. We offer several offerings, and I'll go by brand. So Paid By is our account-to-account checkout and instant settlement solution. ISX Money is a multi-currency IBAN offering. Mass Pay is our solution to global payouts. Flick is our retail product. And ProBanks is our technology solutions, where we offer two, which is Core Plus, which is our core banking offering, and Core Connect, which is our technical connections to the payment systems. As CFO, I would say that my main responsibilities focuses on ensuring sustainable growth, a balanced approach between profit as well as growth. I ensure capital and liquidity resilience, and I'm responsible for allocating investments, whether it be in our technology or in our talent. It's a great question, and there are several topics that I keep front of mind. So the first one is the payments industry is very, very competitive. So margin compression is a key focus for me. And you have to balance that with ensuring that you're delivering, customer solutions which are cost effective and also value accretive to the customer. I think regulation and resilience is really, really important at the moment. So we've seen the evolution of the Payment Services Directive. So it opened up a lot for PSD2, opened up a lot, and PSD3 will open up even more. We need to be there to capture that. The resilience side of it comes from operational resilience. Earlier this year, we saw the rollout of DORA. And then finally, you've got also fraud and the whole authorized push payment, also known as APP fraud, which is a key focus of ours. I would also say that digital transformation is important. So it was great to see the growth in account-to-account or open banking. We were very fortunate that we picked up on this very, very early, late 21, 22, and started to scale our offerings. I recently went to a open banking conference in the UK, and it was great to see not only year on over year the exponential growth that it had, but also the innovation that's going to follow. So open finance, embedded payments has been a big discussion this year. AI and cyber is also another key hot topic. I think AI is something that we have to embrace. Whilst there's a lot of use cases out there in the form of agentic AI, chatbots, and these sort of things, for us, it's primarily going to be to support in our KYC and fraud detection. And finally, talent and the shortage of talent. So talent for us is everything. As a high growth company scaling at pace, you're always looking for talent, and the scarcity means that not only do you have to focus on procurement, but also retention in the form of learning and development. Great follow-up question. Okay, so I'd start off by saying that ISX believes in building its own tech to take away dependencies on third parties. So as builders, we ensure that our customers, we're able to deliver to our customers at pace, and really, really focus on innovative products and bringing them to market in a timely manner. I really think that, as mentioned earlier, that instant and open banking is seeing phenomenal growth. And as an early adopter back in late 2021, we're looking to capture a good market share there. Given the fact that we build our own technology, we focus on making sure that we are regulatory compliant by design. We need to embrace AI. There's plenty of use cases out there, but as mentioned earlier on, we see a lot of opportunity and potentially developing a competitive advantage compared to our competitors in the KYC and fraud detection part. We put the customer at the heart of the business in everything that we do. So we listen to our customers, and key things that they're really, really keen on is fast onboarding, API integrations, and transparent costing. So I think that that's important. And finally, our customers do say that they want global reach. And for us to provide that, our direct connectivities to Europe as well as the UK, as well as having swift access, along with accessing 150 countries with our global payout solution, puts us in a good position there to deliver on that. And then finally, on talent, we offer a multi-jurisdictional location footprint, and this enables us to attract talent where needed. Plus also we focus on investing in learning and development for all of our staff. From my perspective, I think real-time finance is going to become a default payment option for everyone. I think the fact that you can make payments instantly, 24/7, 365, there will be a use case where you'll get interoperability across these instant payment rails, which would mean that you can even cross FX across the globe at any time during the day. We've also got emerging payment options. So a lot of discussion around central bank digital coins. You've also got stable coins. I think this is something that we need to keep on the radar to ensure that we, as an alternative payment methods provider, watch that space, and if need be, and if there's a use case and a customer need, embrace that. You've also got the regulatory evolution. So we talked earlier on about things like PSD3. So I really honestly think that globally there will be harmonization from a regulatory standpoint, and embrace that, to be honest with you. And then I guess as far as the CFO role is concerned, I think you'll see a transformation to us becoming technology-enabled, data-driven, savvy decision makers. So good examples would be we will be using data to provide the insight to make faster decisions around investments, risk management, and compliance, as well as transformation within an organization. Okay, so I'd start off by saying that it's important to be a visionary. So one of your core roles is to basically be a conciliary to the CEO and stand shoulder to shoulder with them. But you must have discipline. So discipline in ensuring that you're very clear with your strategic outcomes, that you course correct quickly where things aren't going correct in the right way or per plan. And then finally, be disciplined in capital allocation. I'd also say that it's important to embrace technology. So we talk about automation, we talk about embracing AI. These things are important because you need data quickly in order to generate insights so that you can take actions. I'd also say governance is important. So everyone should be embracing compliance and regulations, and that should be at the heart of the business alongside with the customer. Talent is important. I've mentioned it twice now. Procurement of talent, so ensuring that you have the right culture, cross culture, I'd say cross-border talent, to ensure that you can connect with the customers. And then finally, I'd say that stakeholder and communication is important. I started off by saying it's important to be clear with your strategic vision. However, you also need to communicate clearly with all of your stakeholders, whether that be the customer, whether that be shareholders, whether that be your employees.